Welcome to the Van Rap Radio. Nengadzina niduka ndiswana ndingona ndo amahongoni. It's about music.
Van Rap Radio.
Rock beat. Yo, ni kompana milaroni. Maria Bopama Mularoni. Rock beat.
Of course I feel like I'm dreaming.
Van Rap Radio.
Bomo, Fizzy.
Man, I don't wanna talk no more.
Holy Beast.
Man,
Bomo,
I'm angry. I whoop your head, boy, if you talk to me. Cause I'm mad, I'm angry. Nigga, you stupid. Nigga, you stupid. Humble. What you wanna do? Nigga, you stupid. Nigga, you stupid. I'm mad, I'm angry.
Lipirulano loto vipa salam hedeni. Hey treke doni pisa unga hedeni. Nito konga no wanara sama shereni. Behind the bars, hey vest unga sereni. Assassinate niggas John F. Kennedy. Me, pandamika huna remedy. Nini jena ndani siya nina damage. Hamaki, konshani unga nerezi. Nito zura ni kompa unga melody. Hey vest ndi madom unga genesi. Na faragani ndi shooter na the enemy. Abana skill bakotoda ability.
Man, I don't wanna talk no more. Nah, man, I'm angry. I whoop your head, boy, if you talk to me. Cause I'm mad, I'm angry. Nigga, you stupid. Nigga, you stupid. Humble. What you wanna do? Nigga, you stupid. Nigga, you stupid. Nah, man, I'm angry.
Ndinga goya la takani ndina 9 lives. Gidi manta hanu unga switch night. Donga Eminem chimbira 8 miles. Boxing, whatever the holy field. Me, nigga ndele holy beast. Bombre pando wa police as a washing light. Whatever nga Royce bana 5'9". Whatever na ganje banga 2J. Shut up, kuni doma dark tape. Koko tera pamali nonga la AB. Beat up on my chest unga gorilla. Don't see a sahibi ni gorilla.
Man, I don't wanna talk no more. Nah, man, I'm angry. I whoop your head, boy, if you talk to me. Cause I'm mad, I'm angry. Nigga, you stupid. Nigga, you stupid. Humble. What you wanna do? Nigga, you stupid. Nigga, you stupid. Nah, man, I'm angry. Don't wanna talk no more. Nah, man, I'm angry. I whoop your head, boy, if you talk to me. Cause I'm mad, I'm angry. Nigga, you stupid. Nigga, you stupid. Humble. What you wanna do? Nigga, you stupid. Nigga, you stupid. Nah, man, I'm angry.
Holy Beast, Fizzy of feature and a Bomo Unlimited by the Holy Beast. Damn it. When you talk about great music, when you talk about dope tracks, when you talk about something that you can listen to and relate, not always talking about love, not always complaining, not always saying things that everybody expects. We talk about some gangster rap. What I like about Fizzy, he fits anyway, man. He doesn't care on what kind of beat, but he kills it. Bomo, gangster rap, does it the way he does it, got his own style, follow everything. So, I just gave you the track, which is still not old, but brand new track from Fizzy. You can download it on www.renderfiles.co.za. You can check out more music with Fizzy and Bomo on www.vanrapradiostation.co.za. And then you can check us out on 0826937124. At send them to music on WhatsApp. That's first thing, one thing, and again I'm gonna say it. At send them to music on WhatsApp. Twitter, the name Instagram _Nema, kana ba Facebook Nema Wama Hunguni page, banga like kana ba jena ni check out on my Facebook in ever. Doesn't know that you can do just to follow it. Venda music and entertainment. Ne ndibafuna zone. So I'm about to hit the road, trek with the Veda. Fizzy, I'm mad. I'm being real. Bone. Vese he non no never repumula richa mnan tuzobatu. No wonder what's that track in the plan the Bomo and Fizzy. It was of the holy beast. Ndao yandona.
Radio.
Rock beat. Yo, Nikom Panamilaroni. Rock beat.
Of course I feel like I'm dreaming.
Radio.